Let's review some basic chemistry concepts before we jump into biochemistry. Chemistry is the study of chemicals, and basically everything is a chemical. So you can think of chemicals as being different kinds of stuff. Chemistry is the study of stuff. Chemicals are made of atoms, and atoms are made of protons and neutrons with electrons orbiting around them. That orbit can be a circle, but more often it's not. Electrons can move in all kinds of crazy ways. Protons have a positive charge and electrons have a negative charge. Elements are kinds of stuff. You can think of them as kinds of atoms. They can't be broken down into other kinds of stuff. Carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen are all kinds of elements. Elements can be combined with each other to form compounds. Compounds can have completely different properties from the atoms that form them. We call the combining of atoms bonding. The first kind of bonding is a covalent bond. This happens when two or more atoms share electrons. The electrons will spend time in the outer energy level of both atoms because they are sharing them. This kind of sharing makes very strong bonds, and atoms that are bonded this way are called molecules. The other kind of bonding happens when, instead of sharing electrons, one atom simply takes the electrons from the other. Now we have two atoms that are charged. Normally, atoms have the same number of electrons as they have protons, and they have a neutral charge. When one takes another's electrons, it's suddenly negative. That makes the other one positive. The charges of the atoms cause them to be attracted to each other, and this is an ionic bond. It's not as strong as a covalent bond. Sometimes a molecule, remember that's a compound with covalent bonds, will have atoms that share electrons unevenly. One atom will hang on to the electrons longer, and the other will keep them a shorter time. This might give a molecule a partial negative charge in one place and a partial positive in another. This makes a very weak bond with other molecules. We call these partial charge forces van der Waals forces, and they might not be strong, but they can be very important. So remember, everything is chemicals. Thanks for watching. Stay awesome.